one strong habit that I take a early morning 1 cup of tea and I'll go for a walk and I'll come back and I'll take 1 more cup of tea. Before brushing my teeth, I'll take 1 more cup of tea. After brushing, I'll take 1 more cup of tea. Before bathing, I'll take 1 more cup of tea. After bathing, I'll take 1 more cup of tea. And before breakfast, I'll take 1 more cup of tea. And after breakfast, I'll take 1 more cup of tea. Before dressing, I'll take 1 more cup of tea. After dressing also, I'll take 1 more cup of tea. Sometimes I take tea before taking tea, and after taking tea, I take 1 more cup of tea. This is my strong habit of taking more cups of tea. This is my habit. What, sir?
I just wanted to know who makes the tea.
So many people, because I am a celebrity. Wherever we go, I get the tea. Wherever we go, I get the tea.
All you had 12 cups of tea so far.
Huh?
You had 12 cups of tea so far.
Yeah.
Thank you for your calculation. You are right observer actually.
That was the question next.
Yeah. So this is the morning time. Till evening time, 32 cups actually. It is not before lunch, before after lunch, and so many things. Anyway, that's a very strong habit. I could not. She rightly asked who made this thing. Every time nobody will make this much of teas. That's why I said that I stopped this habit. I broke 1 letter H. Still, a bit of that habit is still here. That habit still, the bit of that habit is still here, and I'm tearing 1 more letter. Bit of it is still there, and I'm tearing 1 more letter. It is still existing, and I'm tearing. I think this is my strong habit of taking more cups of tea. So even if I tear it, it will always have in my mind. Say, in the same way, say here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. All the 5 pieces, what I thought that as a magician, I thought I can vanish this habit by making it a small packet. I made it a small packet here. I make it a small packet. If I take an invisible magic wand, can you see? Because it's invisible, you can't see. And if I wave it here, if I vanish it, and if I open here, here we have 5 pieces of my habit. Pieces are here. If I open, my habit is come back once again. Say once you get habit with any habit, it goes on hunting and you cannot come out from the habit. You cannot tear it up or you cannot break it up the habit. Say, but one thing, what I say that if you stop doing it 21 times, 21 days, your habit will forgotten. Anything that repeated consciously 21 times, that will become your habit. If you stop doing the habit 21 times, you will forget about that. After 21 days, you don't get this thing. Some people will smoke cigarettes and all those things. If they stop 21 times, automatically they will stop. Say, nothing is impossible for the willing heart. That's what I would like to say.